Rumble Star Soccer, Animal Nitrate Take 2. Today we introduce today's deck. So let's go to Rumble Star Soccer by Frogmine. And here is the deck that I have today. Superstars 5 to 6, almost all upgraded. Needed to do that to get some points for my king. So the more you donate, the more you upgrade, the more points you get for your king, i.e. right over there. I like to use pretty offensive deck, meaning ape, frog. Panda is one of my favorites, and the feeders for them are the seal or dog. I've been forced to start using also the wolf. That's because of Cristiano, so we can get a goal maybe from the distance as his bear is bugging me. So, playing quite a long time, so the challenge has been there that my deck is pretty high valued. So all the cards are almost near 200, so pretty bad, difficult to find low value decks, so some space there to do so. I'm not using Bomba much, neither the fake ball, but been using that sometimes. Challenge at the beginning of the game was that if you had a very high value deck, then when you won a lower level deck, you maybe got 3 to 10 points, and if you lost you got minus 50, so pretty challenging. So that's why I maybe don't have so many points in my or so many trophies. But let's look still on my player info. Remember everyone, do donations in your club. Join a club which is active. If you are an inactive club, you will be missing a lot of points from your king lion. And you see there, I think I have quite many wins. I was maybe first or second, I believe second, with over 1,000 wins, and I explained the reason why I'm not in like 10,000 points, even I have so many wins. So it doesn't mean that I'm a very bad player, but it was maybe ratio of 13 to 15 to 1 games which I needed to win to climb up. So I was maybe stupid to play so much against lower level trophies. But hey, this game is great. What I like here is that I can play without getting, I can play a lot, even I don't get any chests or gold chests. So even it's motivating just to win and have a good battle. And what you need to really do, you need to get social, find equal-minded people who play. Then it's fun sharing good replays in your club. That gives a lot of spice in the game rather than playing alone with no one.